everybody, it's Denise from Wonderland Boutique and welcome to my channel. Today, what do I have in store for you? I have a Valentine's Day inspired tutorial. Heart time, love. And what we're going to learn how to make today are 3D sculptures, or some people call them ribbon sculptures. And what they look like is this. You can make this out of plain ribbon. You can make it out of printed ribbon, but it is a heart on a hair clip. You can also embellish it with rhinestones like this one. And that's what we're going to learn how to make today. Here's a cute little purple one. You can make these in any color. It doesn't have to be for Valentine's Day. It can just be because you like hearts or you have hearts on. But since Valentine's Day is right around the corner, I was inspired to make something lovey-dovey, and we're going to learn how to make a heart ribbon sculpture today. So let me zoom in. I'll take all my bracelets off to reduce the jingling, and I'll walk you through exactly how to make it. And then at the end, you'll have to let me know how it went. Leave me a comment below with how your ribbon sculpture looks and how you did with the tutorial, and feel free to tag me on Instagram. It's at Wonderland_Boutique, and post a picture of what you made. And I hope you enjoy learning how to make this fun ribbon sculpture with me today. Okay, what supplies are you going to need for today? You're going to need a tape measure, your alligator clip, and in this instance an aligned alligator clip, which I will leave a link to that tutorial down below if you have not watched that yet. And you need 3/8 ribbon of your choice of style. Today I'm going to be doing the red with the Swiss polka dots, and you need a coordinating color, in this case white, for your alligator clip. Now you can do this with plain ribbon, polka dot ribbon, or any type of ribbon of your choice. You also need lighters for fray checking, a pair of scissors. I'm using my small fiskars, and a hot glue gun. And in this case, it is leaking all over the table already, so we'll let that dry. Now you can see there's two different sizes up here. There's a bigger heart and a smaller heart. This is made with 6 inches of ribbon, and this is made with 5 inches of ribbon. So depending on what size you would like, that's what size we're going to go with. Today I'm going to make a 6-inch style. So I need 6 inches of my 3/8 inch ribbon. And I'm just going to cut the edge and get a clean edge. So measure out 6 inches. And then what you're going to want to do is fray check both ends of the ribbon. Now, if you haven't seen my other tutorials, you'll understand why you fray check, but you fray check the ends of both sides. We don't need the ruler anymore. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your ribbon, cute side or best side or front side facing together, and you're going to fold it in half, okay? So fold it in half and make a nice crease down here at the bottom. You can crease it with your fingernail. You're not going to rip the ribbon or anything like that. So give it a good crease, and you want to see that middle line. Then what you're going to do is take your hot glue gun and run the glue right down the middle of that crease you just made. Don't put too much glue on there. And then you're going to fold it in half again and crease that glue together. And it's okay to apply some pressure. Okay, now that you've applied your pressure, and if you open up your ribbon, you should have the glue in the center. So you should have this little piece. You want it to look like antennas. That's the best way of describing it, would be antennas. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your alligator clip, and you're going to use the top of the clip, not the side facing the pinchers, but the top. And what you're going to do is you're going to take a dab of glue and put it right here at the top, because you're going to take your antenna and you're going to sit it flush with the top of the alligator clip. So let me show you what I mean. So what you're going to want to do is apply glue to the middle of the top. So right in the middle, you're going to apply your glue, and then you're going to take your antenna and you're going to stick it right in the middle where it is, and apply a little pressure. Okay, so apply a little pressure. Don't worry, you're not going to break it or anything like that, because this is the base of your heart. So you want to make sure that you have enough pressure. So when you look at it, it should look like a little antenna. Wibble wobble. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to fold the sides down to the bottom to make the shape of a heart. Okay. So then you're going to take your first ribbon. I'd say, whoop, lots of stringies. Say right in the middle, towards the bottom where the prong starts to go down. Take your ribbon, bend it down, keep the good side facing up, and then you're going to form the shape of your heart and push your ribbon down. And I'll tell you what, you're going to get a lot of ribbon, a lot of hot glue stringies with this. I don't know why, but I just get tons of them. But you can see how your heart is starting to take shape. So you got one side of the heart formed. And now we're going to form the other heart side like that and glue it over. So take your glue and put it on top of the bottom of the ribbon you just glued down. Shake off the little excess glue. You can hold it in your other hand. Take your ribbon, bend it down, and just glue it down. And now you have your heart. And then what you can do, like my other ribbon sculpture, is I put a little rhinestone at the bottom. You can enhance these and put a little more decoration on it. But here you have your little heart ribbon sculpture. And it's perfect to go in any size hair. You can wear it on any side, left or right. But you have just made your first heart ribbon sculpture. Congratulations! Check out your cute heart ribbon sculpture that you just made. It's so perfect for Valentine's Day. You can even put it in your little dog's hair too, or on their collar to celebrate the holiday. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy little tutorial of how to make hearts. Stick around because there might be a part 2 of this, meaning maybe multiple hearts? You never know. Keep your eye out for another video tutorial coming soon, but you won't regret it if you enjoy these hearts. So make sure that you hit that thumbs up and that notification button for me, and that you leave me a comment below. And if you're not following me on Instagram and Facebook, everything will be linked down below. So great job making your 3D sculpture of your ribbon heart clip. You did a great job, and be sure to tag me in any pictures of your heart bow so I can see it. Thanks everybody. It's Denise from Wonderland Boutique, and I hope to see you again real soon. Bye-bye.